Hey everybody, welcome back to the Diamond H. Marty here. Today I decided to record a little bit of disc in the field that I've been working on. I tried to get it done before it rained, and then we got 3 inches of rain. I was able to get back in the field pretty quick after that 3-inch rain. So me and my TYM T474 Big Bird edition is gonna disc the field, and we got a couple of cameras, different camera views we're going to show you today. May be boring to some, it may be exciting to others, but regardless, that's what we're going to do. I call my TYM T474 the Big Bird edition because it's pollen everywhere. You probably really can't tell on the camera, but the whole top of this tractor is yellow, like Big Bird. So I bought myself a brand new Ignite Attachments 6-foot disc harrow. It came in last week. It's actually 6.5 foot wide. It's very well built. They make a 7-foot that's bigger than this and heavier duty spider webs. Heavier duty than this one, but I was afraid that the 7-foot would be a little bit too heavy and maybe too wide of a grip for some of the soil conditions that this T474 gets into. This is not the only field. We plant a lot of food plots every year, especially about 3/4 of a mile behind me into the woods. And a lot of times it's very damp. And if you get a disc harrow too wide, it can really bog down your tractor. I could put this on a different tractor, but I may not always have a tractor over 50 horsepower around to pull it, so that's why I decided on the 6-foot, which is actually 6.5 feet wide. I went over every bolt on this dude before I started using it, and I only found 2, and they weren't even loose. I was only able to turn 2 locking nuts, non-nuts on it. But I used it for 2.5 hours, and then I rechecked the bolts on it, and I didn't find any loose anywhere on the bearings, bearing carriers, or any of the bracing. It came ready to work, basically, and that's what I've been doing. I've probably put 6.5 hours on this disc so far. There's not any greasing points on it. All the bearings are sealed, which is new to me because every harrow I've ever used or owned, you had to keep an eye on the grease, keep it greased or the bearings will wear out. So it'll be exciting to see how this performs without having to grease the bearings. Let me get on my tractor and let's get after it. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching.